Did you give it Mr. Potato Head lips?
There we go.
All right, everybody say cheese. Zachary, where are you?
Did I say snowman?
Say snowman.
Snowman!
Say snowman, Zachary.
Snowman!
Don't hit him.
Watch out, he'll fall over.
Snowman!
Timothy, stand up.
Snowman.
Emily, you want to get out there? You yell at me.
I've got it recording right now. It's on video.
There we go.
Hat.
Yeah, that's his hat.
Hey, Snow Angel. Say cheese.
Cheese.
That was probably not very good, but hey, now we're all in it. Scan the neighborhood. The great winter storm of, hey look, it's an angel. 2007. 1 week after the great ice storm, we have the great snowstorm. And Lori's checking the mail. What did we get? Junk. Alright.
Everything junk here.
Lay down and do an angel.
Mr. Angel Zachary.
We not feed you enough lunch? You're gonna eat all the snow. It's almost too hard to do an angel, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so hard.
Hard snow. I'm exhausted from our tiny miniature little snowman midget. I wonder if that's not politically correct.
A midget snowman?
Snow midget.